So did we start it? I don't think so. He didn't say start.
Start.
There it is.
See?
Okay.
That's what we was waiting for.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now. Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is.
Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.